Alright, I got a pack of foam filters here for a Craftsman M90 lawnmower that I'm working on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to oil up the filter and make it a little bit better at stopping the little tiny pieces of debris from entering the engine. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the foam filter into this bag, and then I'm going to take some motor oil and pour a little bit into the sandwich bag here. Just a little bit. Should be good. And then I'm going to seal up the bag just a little bit. And then I'm going to squeeze the filter to make sure it absorbs all that oil. Should be good. Alright, once I squeeze the oil into the air filter, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply install it into the air box, just like that, and then put the cover on.